how to fix the issue where your laptop fan is constantly running. So if your fan's particularly noisy or your computer's overheating, then I'm going to show you how we can go and stop this from happening. Now the first step is to open up your start menu, go and search for Control Panel and click on this window here. In the top right hand side, make sure View By is set to Category and then select Hardware and Sound. Now click on Power Options. And next to the plan that you have selected, click on Change Plan Settings. You can then press Change Advanced Power Settings. Click on the drop down arrow next to Processor Power Management and then expand Maximum Processor State. Now you want to make sure on battery and plugged in is set to 90%. So by default it will be set to 100 and we're going to reduce it all the way down to 90 and then press apply and OK. Now once you've done that, you can open up the start menu again, go and search for Registry Editor and click this. Now expand the drop down next to H key local machine, then expand the folder next to system, then expand current control set, then expand control. You can then scroll down until you see a folder called power and expand this, then expand power settings. And then you need to go and find the folder that starts with 543. So you can see it's this one here, 5433251, and then go and expand this folder. And then you need to find the folder that starts with 94D. So you can see it's this one here, 94D3A615. And once you've selected this folder, you can then double click on attributes, then go and change the value data to 2 and press OK. Once you've done that, you can restart your computer and that will have solved the issue where your fan is constantly running. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.